Danske Bank Business Platinum Credit Card Denmark app. The pros, the cons. You won't believe what makes the Danske Bank Business Platinum card stand out. Beyond the premium status, it's a tool built to streamline Danish business expenses and reward consistent corporate spending. On the pro side, this card offers a high credit limit and flexible repayment terms, giving businesses breathing room to manage cash flow. You earn points on almost every purchase, which can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, or corporate services. Travel perks include comprehensive insurance, airport lounge access, and rental car coverage, essentials for frequent business travelers. The Danske Bank app complements the card perfectly. It allows you to monitor transactions in real time, assign and control employee cards, and generate expense reports automatically. Security features like instant card freezing, two-factor authentication, and alerts for unusual transactions make it very secure. However, the cons include a relatively high annual fee and limited acceptance at smaller vendors. Some businesses might find the rewards program less lucrative if they don't travel often or spend at specific partners. In short, for Danish companies that prioritize flexibility, premium travel benefits, and efficient spending management, the Danske Bank Business Platinum card is an excellent choice. It's not just a credit card, it's a tool for business growth and convenience.